Did you know that our body is colonized by microbes? What if I told you we have as many human cells as we have microbes in our body? This is pretty amazing, right? Hi, my name is Pratik. Welcome to My Rebel Nutrition. Today we will be discussing about the human gut microbiota, prebiotics, probiotics, and the future of microbial therapies. Microbes are often associated with disease. However, this is not true. The human microbiota, or what we know as the gut microbiota, plays a very important role in digestion, immunity, and even controls weight loss and weight gain. What do we mean by the human microbiota? It is the entire ecosystem of microbes that are living on the human body. This includes the skin as well as the gut. Our main focus is the gut bacteria, or what is known as the gut microbiota, the ecosystem of bacteria that are found in our gut. These bacteria, as I mentioned earlier, play a very important role in our health, which includes their important role in various diseases such as obesity, diabetes, and controlling our weight loss and weight gain. Not only that, they play a very key role in digestion as well as the immune system. Now, if you are interested in finding out the role of human microbiota, or more specifically the gut microbiota, in diseases, especially obesity, undernutrition, you can check out my Patreon article, which is going to come up on Tuesday. So please be sure to check the Patreon article, in which you'll find a lot more detailed evidence-based information on obesity and undernutrition, and how our microbes or our gut microbiota plays a key role in it. So make sure you check it out. As I mentioned, our gut microbiota plays a very important role in our health. With advancement in genetic research, it has been determined that every single individual has a unique human microbiome, which means your gut bacteria or your human microbiome is unique to every individual. You can consider it like a fingerprint. Now, since this plays a very vital role in our life and in particularly our health, there are certain microbial therapies or certain foods which we can eat, which will ensure a good diversity of these bacteria. A better diversity is associated with better health outcomes. Consider your body like a plant. Just as a plant needs fertilizer to grow, your gut bacteria needs food. And this food is provided by prebiotics. What are prebiotics? Prebiotics are fibers which escape the digestion process and are fermented by the gut bacteria. So they essentially act as food for the bacteria. Examples of prebiotics are inulin, fructooligosaccharides, and galactooligosaccharides. Fructooligosaccharides are found in plants and galactooligosaccharides are found in dairy products. Where can prebiotics be found? They can be found in some of the foods we eat. For example, onions, garlic, not very ripe banana, but neither unripe banana, somewhere in between. Those bananas are very rich in prebiotics. Oats, chicory root. Chicory root is used to make decaf coffee, and sometimes even in regular coffee you might have come across like an 80% coffee, 20% chicory, or 60% coffee, 40% chicory. So chicory root is a very good source of prebiotics. Prebiotics will help your gut bacteria grow by providing food for them. So essentially what it is doing is enhancing the gut diversity. When you have a more diverse gut bacteria, you have better chances of an improved immune system, fighting a lot of diseases, better digestion, as well as better health outcomes in terms of controlling your weight. So make sure to incorporate prebiotics in your diet. Prebiotics change the activity and the composition of gut microbiota. In contrast, a probiotic is actually a live bacterium that is administered directly to your body. Now, what does this live bacterium do and when do you use it? It is used in cases when there has been a change in the gut microbiota. This is primarily due to antibiotic usage. When you take antibiotics, your gut bacteria often gets destroyed along with the bad bacteria that has caused the sickness or illness, whatever you call it. In such cases, a probiotic helps to restore the gut bacteria fairly quickly. A good probiotic can also reduce your infection time. Hence, they are very essential for health. Did you know children who are administered antibiotics in their early life have an increased risk of obesity? Hence, probiotics play a very important role, and nutritional companies increasingly are adding it to infant formula foods and products that they develop for infants so that it can compensate for any damages done to the child's gut bacteria when antibiotics are administered. So as you can see, nutritional companies are fairly aware of the benefits of probiotics, and slowly they have started incorporating it in formulas and infant foods. Now, where can you get probiotics? Some of the best sources of probiotics are fermented foods. So any fermented food that you can think of, such as pickles, kimchi, yogurt is an excellent source of probiotic. But you should always look out for yogurt which is enhanced with probiotics, because they are associated with better health outcomes than just regular yogurt. Now, you may have come across these small bottles. I think Yakult is one of the brands in which it will be written probiotic shots. You can take one of those shots. Those are very good sources of probiotics. So this is all about probiotics and how they can help us achieve better health. What is the future of microbial therapies? We learned about prebiotics and we learned about probiotics. If you take a closer look at Yakult, one of the probiotics that I mentioned, you will see that they have a very high dosage of bacteria. Now, why is that? Our stomach has a very strong acid. The digestive acid in our stomach is extremely strong with a very low pH. Hence, very few bacteria make it past the stomach, which is why you have such a high dosage. Now, what if we got the benefit of prebiotic, where fibers just escape the digestion process, as well as probiotic in one go? This is what is called synbiotic, where the syn stands for synergy between probiotics and prebiotics. These are products which are being developed so that probiotics or the good bacteria reaches your stomach alive. In future, they may be used for treating of irritable bowel disease, irritable bowel syndrome, liver disease, allergies, and even cancer. So there is a lot of promising research with respect to synbiotics. Today we discussed about the human gut microbiota, the importance of microbial therapies such as prebiotics, probiotics, and the future of microbial therapy research, that is synbiotics. Now, going forward, there is a lot of promise in this field and how our gut bacteria can affect our health outcomes. As I mentioned, in my Patreon account, I will post the link here. You can look for a more detailed article. Those who are really interested in this field, you can look for a more detailed article in which I will discuss about the role of gut microbiota in chronic diseases like obesity, diabetes, as well as in undernutrition. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you share it among your friends and family so that they know where this research is headed towards and what is the future of human microbiota. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching the video.